So I start by frying onions and tomato paste, and then I get my ingredients ready. You've got hot pepper, red and yellow pepper, onions, mix them, blend them together nicely into a puree, and just make sure it's nicely blended. And then you fry oil. I use palm oil and groundnut oil, vegetable oil. You just fry it and until it's a bit hot, and when it's hot and steaming, you pour the pepper, the grinded ingredients. You pour it and allow it to simmer. Those are my spices. You've got curry, fenugreek. I love fenugreek. Thyme. They're all good medicinal. You got pepper, chili pepper, and coriander, and I use Knorr cube. And I add all those spices into the sauce and allow it to boil. And just cover it when you put all the spices. And just cover it and allow it to boil. Don't forget to salt in both. And I've got chicken stock there. So I've got pepper sauce and the tomato and onion. When it's slightly cooked, you add them together and give it a good stir. Mix it together. Mix. It smells so lovely. You can already start to smell that, jollof rice-ish smell. And when you allow it to simmer and boil for a while, you pour it into the rice. The rice is just raw rice. I just washed the rice and got it ready. And now you add the sauce and mix it together. This is the tricky bit. When you add it together, you cover it and allow it to simmer. But there's chances that it will start to burn. So lower the heat. And every now and then open the pot and stir it, just to make sure it doesn't burn at the bottom, and to allow the water in it to evaporate, so that it's nice and dry. It's still a bit sticky now, so keep stirring and cover it and bring it out, open it again. It's supposed to be nice and soft, not too soft. So the rice is ready. I've garnished it with fried plantain and chicken. It's soft, it's not sticky, it's fluffy and still grainy. Delicious.